Hey guys, welcome back. It's Victoria. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied the Kiss Falscara eyelash extensions. So if you guys are interested in this video, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right guys, let's get into this video. All right guys, so I went to Sephora. I usually go to Sephora, but I actually went to Ulta this time because I wanted to get this eyelash kit that I saw on Instagram. Was it Instagram? Might have been YouTube. But anyways, I wanted to get this eyelash extension set that I saw, and they didn't have it in Target, so I had to go to Ulta. So I got me a little Ulta haul for you guys. So this is the Kiss Falscara eyelash extension set that I'm talking about. So I actually had my eyelashes done one time before, like professionally, and I like the look, but I don't know, I'm just looking for like a cheaper alternative. So this was $24.99, so like $25. And then I purchased this Morphe Bake and Set powder, and it is in the color Banana Rich. So I just wanted to have like a under the eye area that's like really brightening, I guess. So that's why I got that. And I also purchased this NYX Butter Gloss, and that is in the color Fudge Me. So yep, these are my three little haul that I got. 3 little items. That was like $47. I didn't know makeup was so expensive. Like, that was like $42 just for that stuff, but it's okay. But yeah. Alright, so I already did my makeup, and I'm just about to go ahead and apply these lashes. So here's what the packaging looks like. Oh Lord. So it comes with the eyelashes, of course, and they have the short, medium, and long, and it also comes with the application bond and the seal. And it also has some application tweezers and some remover and overnight glue. So I'm just about to go ahead and start putting these on, and yeah. So I'm just going to follow the directions that it has on the back. Okay, so step 1 is to brush on a light coat of the bond onto your natural lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the wand and brush them onto my lashes. The bond is actually infused with biotin, and the bond is non-damaging and primes your natural lashes to prep them for the individual wisps. So step 2 is to place a wisp underneath your eyelashes by using the applicator, and I find this applicator really helpful. So on the Kiss Falscara box, they call them wisps, but I'm just going to go ahead and call them clusters. So I'm going to add in my first cluster, and I'm using the short on the inner corner of my eyelashes, and I'm just going to apply them going outward. And I think I added 2 short ones, and then as I go along I add in a medium and then a long to give it like a feathered effect, so that way it looks shorter on the inside and then longer on the outside. I just think that looks really nice. But yeah, here you can see me, I'm just applying them, and they go on pretty easily. But a pro tip that the box has on it, it says apply wisps starting from the outer corner of lash line, working inward or vice versa. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing the other way, working inward then outward. So it says to also be sure to place the wisp right next to each other for a seamless look, and that's what I try to do. Once again, this is my first time doing it, but yeah, you learn as you go, and I'll know exactly how to do it for the next time I do it. But yeah, I make sure I try to get them as close as possible, and after just putting them on and letting them stick, I just go ahead and take the application tweezers and I smush them into my natural lashes, and I also like clamp them so that they stick. The second pro tip is basically what I just kind of already explained, but the second pro tip is, if needed, use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wisp against your natural lashes. This helps the wisp adhere from a more secure hold. And as you can see, that's the difference between the one eye done versus the other eye. So it's very noticeable in my opinion. Step number 3 is to lock in with the seal. Dab on a thin coat of seal under wisps. This final touch eliminates any sticky residue and hold Falscara wisps in place. Alright guys, so this eye, you see a big difference between this one and this one. So I'm going to just go ahead and continue to get this eye. So I'm literally just about to go ahead and complete these same 3 steps for the other eye, and I just want to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of more details about this product. So the wisps are designed with a microband and feathered light fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly, and comfortable under the natural lashes, and I can say that these are very comfortable, and they feel like there's not even anything there. I really like this applicator because it has a unique angle tip, and it also has a non-stick finish for optimal wisp placement, so it allows me to place the wisp without them being really stuck to the actual applicator, so I really like that. I kind of messed up the placement on the wisp on this eye, but they still look pretty good, so don't mind that. This seal is formulated with nourishing vitamin E, and it also removes any tacky residue and locks the wisp in place for an all-day wear. And I did have these lashes on for a while, but I did not use the overnight secure glue because I didn't need them for overnight, so I just used the sealant, and they did stay on for a long time, so I was happy with that. And here is the finished look. My right eye turned out a little better than my left eye did, but I think they still look pretty decent. Alright guys, so that was pretty quick putting these eyelashes on. The only problem that I have with applying these eyelashes was the fact that if you close your eyes or blink when you have the bonding glue on, your eyes is going to get stuck to the bottom of your lashes. So that's the problem that I ran into with applying them. But other than that, the only other thing also was, at first, I didn't know which way to apply the lash, but obviously you apply it going outward. So you wouldn't apply it the opposite way, because obviously that would be wrong. So just be mindful of that if you guys plan on purchasing this item. But yeah, those were only the 2 things that I thought was a problem. It just takes a little bit of patience, but it still was pretty quick. Like, I think it took around the same time that it would take me to get the strips on, which I suck at anyways. But I think I like this alternative better because you're putting it underneath your eyelashes, and I don't know, they just look more realistic, and you don't have to fight with them to get them to stay on. It's just a little bit easier, and I think I'm going to stick with this alternative versus the strips or the individuals. I may get the individuals again, I don't know, but I think I like this for now. So I think this is going to be my new thing because it's like quick and easy, and I don't know, they feel really comfortable. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my hair and then put on an outfit and out. I really enjoyed applying these lashes because it was super easy, and I have really curly lashes, so it's very hard for me to put like the strip lashes on top because my eyelashes curl up so much. So yeah, I try to use like the eyelash curler, and I try to uncurl my lashes so that way I can put the strips on, but it still doesn't help. I just think that the Kiss Falscara eyelash extensions are a really good alternative because they go underneath my eyelashes and they're really easy to put on, and they just look, they give you an extra oomph. I think you'll be able to like stack these, so I may try to do that the next time that I try these. So they come with a lot of lashes and you can always buy more. I got these from Ulta and I saw that they also had like the extra ones that you can buy individually, so I'll still have a lot of product and I'll be able to like just continue to redo these lashes because they're really easy. So alright guys, so that's all that I have for this video. I hope you all found this video helpful or interesting, and I hope you go out and get you some Falscara eyelash too. Some Falscara eyelashes. I said eyelash, but I meant eyelashes. I hope you go out and get you some Falscara eyelashes too. If you have a hard time putting on strips, or if you think the individuals are like too expensive to be getting all the time, then I think this is a very good alternative because it's only $25, and I believe the refills are like $8. If it's not, I'll put the price in a title here. But either way, I feel like this is a very quick and easy alternative to eyelashes because they don't take that long to put them on, and they're really easy to put on. Like I don't have to worry about making them stick because they just stick. Once you get a good positioning with the tweezers, then it's really easy to put them on. So I'm just really blown away like how easy it was to apply these and how good they look. I really like this. Like I'm thinking this is gonna be, I keep saying it, but it's gonna be my new thing because I have only successfully put on lashes like twice, and this is my third time. Like with these, I'm gonna be putting them on good every single time. Like I'm not even joking. Like this is, it takes your makeup look to the next level. Like, and I'm just happy that I got these. They're so easy, they're so cute, and I love them. So if you guys like this video, if you found it interesting or helpful, make sure you leave a comment, like this video, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Like, do y'all want to see more beauty videos or what? Let me know. Do you want to see how I did my makeup because it looks so good? Let me know, because I can redo it for y'all. Just say the word and I can redo it for y'all. Just let me know. But I will see you all in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Look at the girl. Look at her. Ooh, girl look good for that girl. Look at the big feet. You see that? You see it? Yo. I'm so excited because this is gonna be my new favorite thing. I'm not even joking. Like, this is so pretty. And then y'all, I did like something new with my makeup, so I'm really proud of myself. Like I'm really proud because I finally got the look that I want. Like it looks good. Like y'all see, like look, I did contouring and I did like baking, and it doesn't look cakey, it looks good. And then like I contoured my nose. You see that? And I put like highlighting stuff on. Like it looks so good. I'm getting so good at doing my makeup, and I don't know, I'm just happy. I just need a pat on the back. Just a little pat on the back. I just wanted to show you that. But yeah, I think my makeup looks really good. What y'all think?